What's up, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a closer look at the 2025 Yellowstone by Gulfstream. This is going to be their 1090K. Now the OK is going to stand for outdoor kitchen, but we'll get to that in just a second. At the very front of this travel trailer, you're going to have your spare tire, propane, manual tongue jack, and then on the campsite, you're going to have solid steps underneath your entry door, as well as a single axle. And then here is where the magic happens. This is going to be your outdoor kitchen. You have a 2-burner cooktop, single basin sink, fridge, microwave. Just a really nice area so that y'all can chill outside, cook some burgers. And then if we check out the inside of this travel trailer, you're going to see a couch. Now, it does turn into a bed, of course. You have an air fan up there, as well as a TV backer. On the left-hand side, you're going to have a space to put your portable speaker, as well as your solar charge controller, light switches, USB ports. You also, across from your couch area, have your AC unit, as well as a little bit of storage. All right, guys, this is going to be your 2025 Yellowstone 1090K. Thank you so much. Have a great day. 2-burner cooktop, single basin sink, fridge, microwave. Just a really nice area so that y'all can chill outside, cook some burgers.